As Brookside Dairy, we found it important to come and support this event that brings together accountants from across the country. Brookside Dairy has perfect nutrition solutions for everyone. And in this particular event, we came here to showcase some of our top-notch products, which were recently awarded for quality. We have health-conscious products like our lactose-free milk. We are also showcasing our low-fat milk here in this event. And above all, we also have milk powder, which is a very, very convenient solution to our consumers. So we are saying that nutrition is very, very critical to our overall well-being as human beings. And it contributes to not only the social development of this country, but also the economic development. So we encourage all our customers, all our consumers to insist on quality nutrition products such as what Brookside Dairy has to offer. Right now, we have the largest variant of milk products in the market. And if you remember last week, the government's standards regulator, the Kenya Bureau of Standards, ranked Brookside Dairy products at the top in terms of quality. So we were given honors as the top company in terms of quality and the company which has the products that shine most in terms of quality, something that we could not have achieved if it were not for the support of our consumers who partake of our products on a daily basis. Recently, we brought to the market spreads like jams, which are doing very, very well. We also have our milk powder, which in this region is the top quality product in that category of powder. So Brookside Dairy Milk Powder is one of the best that the market has to offer. So our promise to our consumers is that we shall continue innovating, arising out of the feedback we get from our consumers across the range of our products.